Welcome in a new episode. We reach now as episode number 60, The Secret of Musandam Seas. In the past, I did 3 episodes about the shrimp in Musandam, and this one also about shrimp, another type of shrimps. Try our best to get some shots. So, see you under the water. The crayfish or the lobster, and it's known in the Gulf region al-Rubian, which is mean the mother of shrimp. Within Musandam region there is a lot of macro shrimp. So below the yellow line, all the green water, this is a small shrimp. See, like this ray is all covered with this macro shrimp. This shrimp comes within Musandam seas every winter, and we see it in different depth, starting from 5 meter until like 30 to 40 meter, and always stay close to the seabed. Comparing to the bulldozer shrimp, which is digging on the ground, you see how small these shrimps on the top of it. On the right here, it's the small goby fish, and you see how small these macro shrimp swimming around it. A baby cuttlefish, it camouflages itself, looks like a little stone or rock on the seabed, and once we got close to it, it makes it run away. As these shrimps are smaller than the seeds of rice and moving fast, even we magnified and slow, the motion is still difficult to identify. This coral shrimp is very hard to find and very rare to see, and it's camouflage itself with the coral, so difficult also to spot. Shrimp, it's also difficult to see, and it's a lot within Musandam seas, and only they come out at night. The boxer shrimp, and it got this name by the way they move their heads. The clearing shrimp also live close to this clownfish. Popcorn shrimp. Simply they are looking like popcorn. Thank you for your time and watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please make a like, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and share this video with friends so more people will know about the secret of Musandam seas. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.